points lost for that.
Oh, there's a big hole gone in the drive there. A big one.
Just 36 scored so far. Score of 10 for the drive.
Well, and the lion's share of them, of course, went on the latter end of the cross drive and the second gate.
So keep your eyes peeled on the red collared ewes. That's what we're after. Just one of those. There's two in there.
One to the left, I'm not sure if he wants to leave. No, he's got a chance here, possibly. There's one on the end.
Well, the shed was accepted, but just 2 points awarded. So they need 7 points here at this pen. If they want to stay ahead of England.
Clean pen required, really. And time to do it. He does have them in a good place.
Spent some time away from the trial field. Decided to return about 4 years ago.
To return his hat.
Oh, it looked like she was just going to go in.
Yes, I think she's still looking. She's still looking.
Go on, Collar you. Go on. Come on, it's obvious. It's just to your left.
She's heart in the mouth time here. Collared you is, she's the wrong way around. And she's stopping the others from going in.
Here's Stampton. She's got the handbrake on. Come on.
And in they go.
Congratulations to Arthur.
So that's 50.